am Muskan, student of JNM third year. Today I am standing here for the demonstration of cardiac bed. First of all, definition of bed making. It is a procedure of making different type of bed according to the patient need to promote the comfort and to promote the sleep of the patient. Today I am re-demonstrating the procedure of cardiac bed. So definition of cardiac bed. It is a special type of bed which is making for the cardiac patient. Purposes of cardiac bed: to promote the comfort of the cardiac patient and to relieve the dyspnea of the patient. After that, to maintain the uniformity in the unit and ward, to maintain the cleanliness in the ward, and to provide safe and clean bed to promote the rest and sleep of the patient. After that, before starting the procedure, 7 principles should be kept in our mind. These principles are: first of all, preparation of nurse. After that, preparation of articles, preparation of unit and client, step of procedure, termination of article, record and reporting, and at last health education. First of all, preparation of nurse. A nurse should be prepared physically as well as mentally. In physical preparation, hair should be tidy, sleeve should be above the elbow, dress should be neat and clean, there should be no ornament, shoes should be well covered. After that, in mental preparation, thorough knowledge regarding the procedure of cardiac bed, positive attitude toward the patient, that is less harm and more benefit to the patient. After that, preparation of articles. Cardiac bed tray containing following article. First of all, bottom sheet to spread over the mattress, pillow to promote the comfort of the patient, Macintosh with draw sheet to prevent the soiling, blanket to provide the warmer to the patient, top sheet to maintain the uniformity in the unit and ward. There is another tray which is carbolization tray containing following article. First of all, hand sanitizer to prevent from cross infection, 2 pair of gloves to prevent from cross infection, a pair of mittens to perform the carbolization, and there is a bowl which containing the Sabron solution. Its ratio is 1:20, and brushes to do the dusting, and pygmy tray to collect the dust, to provide the semi-fowler position to the patient. And there is a cardiac bed, a screen to provide the privacy to the patient. After that, preparation of unit and client. In preparation of unit, the unit should be well ventilated, neat and clean, and fan should be on or off according to the patient need and according to the weather, and light should be on. After that, preparation of patient. In this, we use the gather technique. नमस्ते विमला जी। जैसे कि आपको पता है, आपको सांस लेने में दिक्कत है, तो मैं आज आपके लिए एक आरामदायक बेड बनाने जा रही हूँ, और तो जिसके लिए आपको पहले उठना होगा. आफ्टर दैट वी प्रोवाइड द कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन टू द पेशेंट. Before making the bed, we do the carbolization. After that, we start the bed making. First of all, we spread the bottom sheet over the mattress. Then we place the pillow. After that, we spread the Macintosh and draw sheet. To prevent from soiling. Then we spread the blanket to provide warmer to the patient. First we spread the top sheet to maintain the uniformity of the board. After making the open bed, we place the backrest. Now, we replacing the cardiac bed. This is cardiac bed. Now the patient is in their comfortable position. It helping the patient from relieving from dyspnea. In here, patient is sitting, and patient is uses the cardiac bed.
There will be a relaxation in the diaphragm muscle. That will give the more space for breathing expansion, and patient is able to easily breathe out with this position. So we are giving the cardiac bed. In cardiac patient, there is a difficulty in breathing. If patient move, patient suffering from dyspnea. So this is the article, and that is the bed which are used for the cardiac patient.
The next principle is termination of article. Wash, clean, dry and replace all the article. We replaces the linen into the laundry bag. After that, recording and reporting. We record over the file about the procedure and report our senior if we found any type of complication in the patient. After that, at last, health education. बिमला जी, जैसे कि मैंने आपको ये बेड दिया, तो आप इसी तरह से घर, यदि आपको कोई सांस लेने में दिक्कत होती है तो आपने इस तरह से बैठ जाना है। बिमला जी, जैसे कि मैंने आपको ये बेड बनाया, आपको आराम महसूस हो रहा है। तो यदि आपको कभी सांस लेने में दिक्कत होती है तो आपने इस तरह से बैठ जाना है, और आप इसकी जगह घर में तकिए का यूज भी कर सकते हैं और अपना इस तरह से बैठ जाना है। इससे आपको सांस लेने में दिक्कत नहीं होगी। आपको अब आराम मिल रहा है। About the procedure of cardiac bed. Thank you.